Homie, what are we doing?
We gotta.
Yo, what up, everybody? So, day 2, working on the Datsun. Day 2 of Datsun Chronicles, if you may. Got a bit of work to do. It's just gonna be me and engineer saab today. Basically, what we gotta do is work on some electrical stuff, cooking out some oil, work on some lights. Again, that's with electrical. We're gonna be working on the inside as well, taking out some seats and trying to get that back trunk to open up because, like I said, it's jammed. It's not opening, but I think we can get it open, maybe from the inside. So, without further ado, let's get started. I'm excited. Let's do it. Go ahead, engineer Saab. You got this.
Well, earlier today we already put this light back on. This is the only light that there was no light, so I actually pulled it from my old car. We got rid of the front side markers on my Datsun. So went ahead and put it. There was wire missing, so we just went ahead and made like a makeshift wiring harness, and now this light works and everything. So that's good. Now we're gonna move on to the engine. Go ahead and we drained the oil overnight, so we're gonna go ahead and put the drain plug and go ahead and fill some oil up and see if it turns or not. We also put in some fluid, some transmission fluid inside the holes for the spark plug, so we let that sit overnight as well.
Right, so before we actually get to that, we actually have a little nest right there. If you can see, I don't know what that is. I don't know how long it's been there. Like, yeah, but some animal made a nest in there. We gotta clean that up.
Probably like a mouse.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking. Mouse or rat, something. But yeah, so there was one there. There was one in there earlier. I cleaned that one up. So we got another one right here. And yeah, and then we can get on with that oil change. We gotta open up the hatch from the inside, like I said earlier, because it's jammed from the outside, so we're gonna have to do something. I think we can open it up from the inside, so I have to vacuum that up because, again, that car's nasty on the inside. I want to vacuum it up, and then we can go into the back because I do not know what's in there. But yeah, so that's our work cut off for us. Hey, what is up, everybody? So quick update. Yeah, so clean the nest over there, completely clean, so that's nice. Emptied out the oil. So yeah, that's what the last oil change was back in like 1988 at least. So that's pretty crazy. There it is right there. So hey man, looks like Coke if you ask me. So I mean, I'm just saying, that's what y'all put in your body. I'm just saying. But no, so anyways, we have to change the oil right now, but we don't have the right size tool to take this off to put that on the oil filter. So a little bit of waiting. We got someone going to AutoZone right now to go check that out. If we don't have it, then we're gonna have to resume that tomorrow. But otherwise, honestly, just cleaning the interior. Been vacuuming. It's pretty nasty. Found some cool pennies though. Found a cool penny, cool nickel. So that's something. That's something if you ask me. Yo, what's up, guys? So basically just clean the inside. Looks pretty clean. Looks pretty nifty. Pretty nice. So yeah, trunk is still messed up. I looked up some forums, so we're gonna see if one of them is right. Hopefully by the next scene, this trunk will be open. All right, trunk is about to come off.
Okay.
What's stuck in my ring then?
Why don't you just let them?
Yeah, I'll do it. Thunder, you hold it.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Nice. Good shit.
Does it hold up?
I'm still holding.
Let go. It should just be a hold up from
Yeah.
hydraulics.
Nice. Good shit. I think what did happen was the glue got stuck.
That's gone too. You need to replace that.
This right here.
This thing, look, it's really like,
Right.
You need WD-40. Hit it with some WD-40 right now. That'll be fine.
All right, so that is a wrap on day 2. Got a lot of work done. Like I said, we basically got everything done that we wanted to do. We emptied out oil, by the way, like I showed you guys. Nasty. like 80s, early 80s. That was the last time it was changed, so pretty nasty. Changed this light right there, as you can see. Yeah, a lot brighter than before. This one's from the 280 right there. And yeah, so took out some seats as well. Opened up the trunk, of course. So overall, pretty successful day. Looking forward to day 3. Probably some more engine work, honestly. We got the electrical working. I need to, basically what the problem is with this car is the engine seized, right? So we had to lubricate the engine and we're gonna try to turn it ourselves. That requires some cranking, and if we can get this to turn, then it works. If not, we might have to rebuild an engine, which I'm really, really hoping we do not have to do. But we got the people to be able to do it. Overall, might not be truly worth doing it, if you may. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow, or whenever we do get to it. It's gonna be a process, but yeah, day 2, that's a wrap.